What if I told you the AI you thought you knew just took a massive leap forward? They call it ChatGPT 5, and it's not just smarter, it's more human, more capable, and maybe just a little bit scary. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what it can do, why it changes everything, and how you can use it to get ahead before the rest of the world even realizes what's happening. So, what exactly is ChatGPT 5? It's the latest AI model from OpenAI, and it's rumored to be multi-modal. That means text, voice, images, even video, all inside one seamless conversation. Think about the jump from flip phones to fully smart devices. This is that kind of leap. You don't have to switch between tools. You don't have to give robotic commands. You just talk, and it understands instantly. It's like having a real collaborator, one that's always awake, always learning, and never takes a day off. Now, here's where it gets interesting. First, true memory. It remembers your past conversation, your style, your preferences. Second, multi-modal input. You can show it a picture and it will describe, analyze, or even edit it for you. Third, complex reasoning. We are talking about solving problems that takes human hours in minutes. Fourth, real-time internet access. No more outdated answers. It pulls fresh live data as you ask. And finally, autonomous task execution. You give it a goal, it plans, acts, and reports back. No hand-holding required. And here's the wild part. It can combine all of these skills, like analyzing screenshot, generating a report, and sending it to your email automatically. So, how can you use this? If you're running a business, ChatGPT 5 could handle customer service, write social media posts, do market research, all while you focus on the big picture. If you are a content creator, it can draft scripts, design thumbnails, edit videos, and even add captions. If you are a student, it can summarize textbooks, make study notes, and quiz you based on your exact learning style. And that's just scratching the surface. But with power comes risk. Smarter AI raises serious questions. How do we know what's real when AI can fake it perfectly? Who owns the content it creates? And will it replace jobs faster than we can adapt? We are entering a world where the rules aren't fully written yet. Here's the truth. The winners in the AI era aren't the ones who wait. They are the ones who experiment early, who learn the tools before the masses, who see opportunities before they go mainstream. So here's your first step. Pick one way ChatGPT 5 could help you today and just try it. Because the people who start now, they are the ones who will be way ahead in a year. What's the first thing you do with ChatGPT 5? Drop your answers in the comments. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI deep dives, and I will see you in the future.